Hey! Hi. Where's Redbird? Oh, he went to prison. What? Yeah, he did. Sorry. We gotta go look around the house. Yeah, man? He's not gonna be around the house. Where's Redbird? Where's Redbird? Ah! Where's Redbird? Where's Redbird? Is he? Wait! That's Pink Yoshi's house! Or should I say dollhouse? Whatever! We gotta find Redbird! Redbird! Oh, nice puppet. Oh, Redbird! Oh! Yeah, man, we're not gonna find Redbird. Let me find him. Right there, no. The recycle bin? No. Not the trash can either. The washing machine? The drawer? No. This way. Ghost. Oh, where's Redbird? I told you he went to jail. We looked everywhere. Yeah. Oh, well, I guess we'll have to come back later. Yeah, man. Wait! Well, I guess it looks like we'll never find Redbird. Yeah, I know. Find out next weekend.